Knee pains are very common. Whoever has knee will have knee pain. It's so common. Usually it starts in the middle age, and when the patients come to us with pain while standing or while going up and down the stairs or getting from a seated position, then we know that these osteoarthritic changes have started. Once we tell the patients that there is some arthritis in the knee joint, definitely they will be rattled. They think that arthritis means the end of the world. Arthritis doesn't mean anything serious. Any knee problem or any joint problem is known as arthritis. So when the patient come to us, we try to explain to them that this is an age-related problem and you need not worry. Everybody will have it to certain extent, and the increased obesity is one of the leading causes for the knee pain coming in earlier age groups as well. So we need to treat these knee pains not only with drugs, we need to have some style modifications like weight reduction and regular exercises. These knee arthritic patients should be made aware of the benefits of reducing body weight. We tell them, if you reduce your body weight by 5 kg, your pain on its own will come down by 50%. So once you tell them these things and once you make them aware that there is life beyond medicines, then once they are convinced, then they can start doing these lifestyle modifications and regular exercises. Apart from these, you need to take regular calcium and vitamin D to keep your bones strong, especially when you are getting older. So these are some of the things which your doctor will tell you when you go to him for osteoarthritis. All knee pains will not end up with joint surgery. That is one of the common misconceptions of most of our patients. Once they come to know that they have some knee pains and some arthritic changes, they are worried that they need to undergo this total knee replacement. Please don't worry. You don't need to undergo the surgery as yet, because that is the last procedure we prescribe to you. So before that, you have so many steps, and if you are very conscious and if you are regular with your exercises, your diet and your weight reduction, you may not need joint replacement as well. So I'll show you some simple knee strengthening exercises. There are 101 types of knee exercises, and most of us get confused doing what to do, when to do. So I show you a simple set of knee strengthening exercise, otherwise known as quadriceps exercises, which you can do right in your house. You don't need to go to any physiotherapist to learn these things, or let him do it, or you need to go and join any gymnasium. So you can do these things at your home, anytime, any place, and whenever you are comfortable. And you will be very, very comfortable, let me tell you, by doing this. You find the benefit within 1 week of starting these exercises. So they are very simple exercises and everybody can do it. You can do it lying down in your bed, or you can do sitting in a chair, watching your favorite TV programs, reading your newspaper and talking to your friends. So why do you wait? So start doing your knee exercises and get rid of your knee pain and push your total knee replacement surgery farther away.
Corona showed us that health is the best asset to acquire. So to have good health, you need to have regular exercises and you should watch your weight. These are some of the lifestyle modifications you need to do. For dieting, you should mind what you are eating, but not eat what's on your mind. And as for the exercises, as most of you are confined to home and are working from home, you can work out from home as well. So these are very simple but effective set of exercises which can be done by anyone, any place, anytime, absolutely free. There is no need to subscribe to fancy fitness centers or run around physiotherapy centers. The whole family can take up this as an investment for health. In the bargain, you can get rid of those crippling aches and creaks from your joints. So to do this, lie down on your back on your bed. You can start your day with this exercise even from the bed. Slowly raise your right leg into the air up to a minimum of around 30 degrees and hold it in the air. You should see that the leg has to bear its weight. Then pull your foot towards you. Then you can see your knee getting tight. Keep the leg in this pose for a count of 10. Then slowly put it down. Repeat the same procedure, raising the leg, pulling the foot towards you for a count of 10 on the other side as well. Once you do that on the other side, relax for a bit. Then you can start again. So you can do this for around 10 to 15 minutes before you get down from your bed. Once you do this from your bed, getting down and walking around will be much easier. Same exercise can be done by sitting also. You can do this exercise by sitting in front of a TV or while reading newspaper, having your morning cup of tea or coffee, or talking to your family, friends anytime, and you can encourage them to join you in this. So how do you go about doing this while sitting? Sit back in a straight back chair with both your arms supported on the armrest, relaxed. Then raise your right leg off your chair. The back of the thigh should be clean off the chair. That means the whole leg should be in the air. It should not be touching the chair. Then pull the foot towards you with the leg in the air. Keep it for a count of 10. Then put it back in the normal position. Please repeat this procedure with the other leg as well. You can do this exercise throughout the day. When you take a nap in the afternoon, you can do the exercise lying down on the bed, and when you get up, you can continue doing this exercise sitting in the straight back chair. The whole idea is to make your knee muscles or quadriceps muscles strong enough to take up the challenge and protect your knee from getting degenerative changes and reducing the pain because of the age related changes inside the joint and those around the joint. The muscles and the other structures also age. So this exercise protects them from that. Ideally, it should be 5 minutes every hour. That comes to around 2 hours a day. 1 hour for each leg. So 1 hour you feel it's a long time to do, but if you are in the habit of watching television serials, it will be easy for you. While watching a movie, afternoon movie or evening TV show, you can sit in your chair and continue doing this exercise. Once you start doing this in right earnest, you won't be knowing that you are doing this exercise, and by the time your favorite show is over, your exercise is also over. So start doing it from today.